Yeah, it's a cop car and there's storm spotters right there. You notice they're coming slow. Yeah, it's fire truck. Storm spotters. That's what our storm spotters are, fire trucks. Seriously? Yeah. Our storm spotters are. Here we go. I don't care. The wind is getting really strong. Matthew, you want to go? I just can't fucking. Oh, it's cold. So that wasn't fire. That was smoke. Not smoke. They about to tell us we have to go because they're turning around.
They're like, hey, just get out the way.
Look at all this coming. It stopped. Slow down. That's rotation right there. Look at that.
Rotation.
Holy shit. Mommy. Listen to me, mommy. That shit's crazy. I'm getting my shower out here.
Shit.
So I'm saying I get my shower out here.
I wish I had a hairband that would tie it back my hair.
I can't get. I wish I had a hat on.
Josh coming back.
Can't tell.
Yeah.
Y'all do me a favor and clear out. Let the emergency vehicles come through.
Bitch.
Did you record that?
Yeah.
It's like we're on the side of the road. How are we gonna be?
That's cold. I'm gonna turn that off.